moment of truth. Y'all doing? All right, so this one's all done with. Just did spark plugs on it real quick. Spark plug wires in the distributor. And the weirdest thing happened. I was working on it. I was pulling off the spark plug wires for me to see which one, you know, was bad and stuff. And the car just turned off and wouldn't turn back on. Just completely crapped out. So I was like, oh boy, here we go. But for whatever reason, it didn't really faze me. You know, normally I'd start getting all pissy and upset and all that other stuff. But no, it was cool. It was calm and collected. Been feeling good the past couple of days. I've been off my video stuff because, you know, I just wasn't on it. But here we are. There's a bunch of cool stuff over at the shop right now, so I'm trying to chop. I'm trying to get to the cool shit. Spark plugs work.
Thanks for the help, bro.
Absolutely. That might have been the quickest cutout.
Yeah, for real.
Replacing.
That was like less than an hour, I think.
You know?
Was that less than an hour?
Yeah, I don't think it even was an hour yet.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Definitely a lot louder than it was. Yeah. Now that's some meat, boys. Where do you say you drive? Where do you say you drive? Sebring. Sebring?
Yeah.
How far is it?
4 hours? 4 hours? It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
You don't go to Orlando at all?
No, but
it's a little bit closer. The rev matches are going to be on point now. Oh, man. Alright, so Josh has been gracious enough to give us a ride. Not a whole lot's changed about the Mustang. I think the last one I was in was like a 2012.
Oh, really?
I like that they have these lights in there now.
Oh, yeah, I can change the color too.
want to check out the clips, I'm on YouTube, Labast Labast.
Labast, gotcha,
Yeah.
bro.
All right, bro.
Check it out, bro.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
You want to give me some ref clips?
I'll give you subscribe.
Hey, appreciate it. Want to give me some refs? Oh, man. All right, bro. Drive safe.
Yeah, take care.
Now that's auto.
How far is that thing gonna be poking out, man?
Not at all.
Yeah. Should be end up being
No
pretty
poke.
good.
It's gonna be flush with the wheel well. That's that fitment, boy. Ooh. This doesn't look like a fun situation. What that lady have for samples?
Chicken bites or some shit.
So I ain't getting no bites of chicken.
Can you like,
Where am I
yeah,
going?
right at the mirror.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see something. Ah, like right here would be perfect.
On the other side. The boy done secured the bag. Only it's gonna be a good day. Let's go. What is this called? The H pipe?
Yeah.
This is what, the second one in less than a week?
Yep.
Alright, so where should the Mustang owners of Tallahassee go when they get their Mustang?
To cars.
There you go. Come beef it right up. Inactivity. So the engine's finally going in this thing. Freakingly. Right after some slight modification. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Moment of truth.
You want me to unplug now?
I got you. In my car, I don't want to do gear checks.
Don't do that.
It's just a hydraulic piston that just goes to the ground and jacks.
From your car? I'm saying, like, how do you good. Interception, man.
Boy, hands on camera, boy.
Yeah, you saw Johnny the interception on me?
Y'all say
Yeah, he was coming right to me. I was like, I was like, catch him. I was like, whoop, I'm down. Stop.
Alright, gonna let it go down. You're gonna figure it out. Alright.
Hold on. Is this gonna fuck us though?
Yeah.
Because I remember taking this off. I don't remember this off.
Good thing it switched.
Yeah, just like walked in. I'll stop, and you're gonna have to lower down super slow. Okay, now push forward, stop. Okay, lower again. Okay, stop. Lower again.
Oh my god, you should see what I tagged you.
What?
That literally said bastardizing this RX-7.
For real?
Yeah, and I tagged cars in it, so yeah.
Damn, that's crazy.
Forward? Yep. Okay. Now lower it. Make sure it's gonna be
Watch this size of the console.
Come on,
It's crazy. Oh, now I'm in here now. Tag. What are we doing? Make sure.
maybe just down more first.
Yeah, you got one over here. You got a little one. We start touching the box.
Okay, so stop now. Push back.
Push back.
Alright, cool. Now, I don't know where that bolt went, but there was a bolt sitting up on that.
Is it this one?
No, there's another
There's
one.
another one
Over
over there.
here?
It should be on the. Should have been on the pad.
Yeah, it looks like this. It's the engine mount bolt. It might have fallen
On
on the
this?
floor. Yeah, it was sitting on top of the black thing. But still, it's right there.
Oh, you see it?
Oh, wow.
That's what that's
It goes right.
I don't know.
Yeah, right there, right there, right there. Right there. On the toolbox. There we go. Right.
But that's a
Sorry. Got both of you. You guys ready? Coming down.
yeah. Go down a little more. Actually, I think we need to lift the trains.
Yeah.
I was thinking like we normally have a little jack in there.
Put my 5% effort in.
From the other side.
I touched it while we put the engine in.
I guided it into its resting spot.
What?
Down.
Let's go a little while.
Downward.
All right, what we doing?
We're going down.
Okay. Yeah, boy, I know what you're talking about. Keep going.
Oh man, it's gonna be a pain in the ass because.
Good right there for
Rodney,
a
you're
second.
not even 30.
No, I'm not there.
I'm 30. I'll be 31 tomorrow.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh yeah, your birthday is tomorrow.
whoa.
Shit. We going down?
No way, dude.
You're supposed to be going to a, wait, are you going to a Corvette tomorrow?
No, I'm supposed to be drinking today, but I never got parts.
Sons of bitches.
Am I going down?
How barely working.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What happened?
My glasses.
Damn, welcome to the club.
Oh man.
Welcome to the club. You probably ain't gonna be as blind as long as I am, but while you're here, welcome.
America's best in clothes already, huh? Like
Yeah.
this is LS9 heads with LS3 bottom end.
A lot of them will have like an LS2 block that's been bored, machined, and everything out to like be like a 403 plus cubic inch motor. When it started off, it was
drill,
on
yeah, as I said.
360.
Keep going.
It's not lined up at all. That did make it closer, but it's still.
So why don't we grab the negotiation stick? See what we
I
can
need
do.
to lift here. So lift this all the way down. We leave it up over here.
Alright.
Damn, I think I'm 17 minutes into my clip, dude. It's gonna be a long ass video.
If you hit it like a small, like,
Yeah, right.
bam.
Down more.
I'll be looking for like a 10 and a wheel.
Jiggle it off and on.
Oh, you need the line.
9. A 9.
Oh,
Is it?
oh, I thought you were looking
good
for
shit.
a line.
We got it in.
I got it in.
Damn. You're saying not.
Damn, I missed it. Like,
I'm
it was like, you were too slow. I wanted to be a part of that. Launch away.
Wow. It was so nonchalant when it came in place.
Yeah, right.
I know. I was expecting to have like a firework.
Yeah.
Alright, so now.
How much more does this motor weigh?
A lot. I mean,
like 40, like only like 40 pounds.
more than our Rotaries? Really?
Look it up.
No shit.
The Rotary has two heavy ass turbos, and it also has it itself is not that heavy. The stuff that's attached to it is.
Where's the other bolt?
That's how you LS swap an RX-7. Oh.
We'll probably have it start in the next 30 minutes, so. You gotta start it?
We could get one, I'm sure.
I got you.
Man, this boy ready for some fuel.
You cannot see that?
That boy done committed sacrilege.
Yeah, that's cash right there with the phone on the side.
Yeah, right? Ooh. Oh, by the way, this is Logan.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hell yeah. Yeah, he does YouTube out here in Tallahassee too, so we're gonna do a walk around in his car before we get done with it. Man. It's kind of dark now though.
He's got some arms back here.
Alright, well, that's about it for today anyway. Engine's in, trans is in, all that situated. Done. Cool. Shit, let's go say what's up to Logan real quick and check out his car.
Were you Hyper Man? Hyper. What the fuck? Where Layla's from? Hyper Man. Yeah. I know some stuff, Robert. I didn't know how to say that shit right, bro.
This shit's so sick, bro.
Bye, get your ass out of the car. Mother scunt.
Your mother scunt.
Oh my god, I need to write it.
If y'all like this video, hit the like button. If you guys want to see more, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.